Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome, and please do subscribe to support your girl, or I post video often now. Okay, the greatest problem we have as human beings is that we compare ourselves to others. You look at someone online, you say, oh, I wish I was like that. You have done it, I've done it, and we all have done it. But I'm here to tell you that you can never find happiness if you compare yourself to others. Happiness is something that must come from you. And the first thing I want you to understand is that you are unique. You can never, ever be like anyone. No matter how much you try, no matter what, you always be you. You can never be like any other person but yourself. Even twins are not the same. Even if they look identical, they are not the same. Happiness, in my own word, is the ability to be at peace with your current situation. Okay, the reason why you are on earth is to fulfill a particular purpose, and only you can fulfill that purpose. That is the reason why you are unique. No one can be you. Yeah, not like, okay, they can be like you, is different. No one can be you. You are unique. So happiness, therefore, is something that only you can derive. It comes only from you, no one else, no other source. Nobody can make you happy like yourself. So you have to understand that first. What I learned these past few years of my life is that never put your ability to achieve a certain goal on someone. Put it only on you. Let me repeat that again. Never you put your ability to achieve something on another person. All right, okay, let's say you want to cook. You want to cook, right? And you depend on someone to help you cook, or someone to get the stuff you're going to cook with. To do that, you've limited yourself already, because the person has to work on their own conditions and terms, and you have to work on your own. When I started my business, I was working with someone, and I realized that sometimes things could not go the way I wanted them because I had to depend on that person. So guys, what I'm saying in essence is that whatever thing you want in life, please depend on yourself alone. My life rule is that 80% of my success depends on me, and 20% of my success depends on others. It means that if I work so hard, I can still score 80, and that's still an A grade. So guys, please, the first thing I want you to understand about happiness and be positive is that you should depend on yourself alone and no one else. Okay, that's the first thing. Depend on yourself alone and no one else. Please check out my channel and see my other videos. See you in the next one. Bye.